With age, a vehicle's head gaskets may begin to lose coolant and cause a slight loss of compression. This will cause the engine to overheat. Leaking coolant may even foul up a spark plug or dilute the oil in the crankcase. Replacing a head gasket can become pricey, at times costing more than the vehicle is even worth. No worries, BARS has the solution. BARS, one-step head gasket stop leak, is designed to find the leaks in the head gasket and form a silicate or glass seal where the leaking occurs. This product contains a powerful blend of sodium silicate and binding particles, which fill the gaps and the cracks in the motor block, stopping leaks into the combustion chamber. Applying BARS one-step head gasket stop leak is quick and easy. Visit our website for additional treat rate information.